Hi friends, today we're in chapter 4 doing our first lesson, which is on two-digit fact families. Fact families should sound familiar to you because we've talked about them already this year. Remember, these are facts that are related, like 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 minus 3 equals 2, where we use all the same numbers. Well, in this case, we're doing two-digit fact families, which means that it's the same concept, just our numbers are going to be a bit larger. So our essential question for our new chapter is, how can I subtract two-digit numbers? Here's our problem of the day. It tells us to draw a diagram to solve. Andy finds 4 eggs in the chicken coop. Doug finds 2 eggs. Catherine finds 3 eggs. How many did they find in all? So let's draw a diagram to solve this. So we've got 4 eggs, 3 eggs, and 2 eggs. So if we add those all up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 eggs. A bookstore sold 67 books in the morning. It sold another 28 books in the afternoon. How many books did it sell that day? So we need to think about what's happening here. We've got some books selling in the morning and some in the afternoon, and we're looking for how many it sold the whole day. So that means this is going to be an addition problem, which is what we worked on our last chapter. So 67 plus 28. Sometimes it helps to put that line down the middle so we can keep our place values in order. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 has 5 ones, 1, 10. 1 plus 6 is 7, 8, 9, 95. So they sold 95 books. Pam has 27 beads for a bracelet. Linda has 23 beads. Anna has 39 beads. How many beads do they have all together? Okay, so this time same kind of concept, but we're just adding more than two digits together. So 27, 23, 39. Okay, so we can choose 2 to add together first. I'm going to go with 7 and 3 because those are a 10 pair. 10 plus 9 is 19. 9 ones, 1, 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. So 89 beads. All right, and then our last one here is a quick check, which is also a test practice question. It says, Draven's mother bought 12 cookies at the bake sale. Draven bought 4 cookies. His brother bought 14 cookies. How many cookies did they buy in all? Wow, that is a lot of cookies. Let's check it out and see. So 12. I'm going to change up the order. I can do that because of the commutative property. Plus 14 plus 4. I'm going to put the one with no 10s down here just to keep them a little bit cleaner in line. I do have a doubles fact here, so I'm going to start with that. And then I have 8 plus 2, which is a 10 pair. So 0 ones, 1 10, 1 2 3. They bought 30 cookies. That's a lot of cookies. I hope they'll share. All right, so how can you use related facts to make two-digit fact families? So I told you, just like we can do a fact family like this, 2 plus 3 equals 5. We can turn around that fact, 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then we can do our subtraction facts, 5 minus 3 equals 2, 5 minus 2 equals 3. We used the same numbers in every equation, 2, 3, and 5, right? They're in different order, but they're all in the same, each of them are in the same equation, or in their own equation. Okay, so how can we use related facts to make two-digit fact families? Well, let's say we have 12 plus 13, which would equal 25. We can flip that around. 13 plus 12 equals 25. And then we can do our subtraction facts. 25 minus 13 equals 12. And then flip our parts again. 25 minus 12 equals 13. So there's an example of how we can use our related facts to make two-digit fact families. Let's do some more practice here. So it says find numbers to complete a fact family. Now the only thing we have so far in this equation is the whole, or the sum of two addition, or we can start with to the beginning of a subtraction problem. So there are lots of different options that we could go here, right? There's lots of numbers that we can add up to make 37. And since we're working on two-digit, I'm going to go with 18 and 19. So if 18 plus 19 equals 37, then I can flip these around. 19 plus 18 equals 37. And then 37 minus 18 would equal 19. And 37 minus 19 would equal 18. So once again, I've got a 37 in each one, a 19 in every equation, and an 18 in every equation.
Two-digit addition and subtraction families. The numbers in this addition and subtraction family are 18, 15, and 3.
15 and 3.
I remember these. I figure out the addition fact to help me with the subtraction fact.
That's right, Matthew can do. We know that 15 plus 3 equals 18. So 18 minus 15 equals 3. Try this next one with me. 3 plus 15 is equal to what? Did you say 18? That's right. 3 plus 15 equals 18. That will help us with our next subtraction fact. What is 18 minus 3? Did you say 15? Good job. 18 minus 3 equals 15.
Okay, so let's try on our own now. You're going to need your MyMath book on page 223, as well as a pencil. And you're going to need your base 10 blocks. So go ahead and pause the video when you have your math book, pencil, and your base 10 blocks. You may push play and we will continue. Okay, so we're going to use base 10 blocks to help us solve. It says Lindsay has 16 snowballs. She throws 7 of them. How many are left? Write the 3 numbers in the fact family, then write the related number sentence. So it says she has 16 snowballs. That's going to be our whole, right? So we can put that at the top of our triangle here. That's going to be the answer to our addition, the beginning to our subtraction. Okay, so now I need to break these apart because it says that she threw 7 of them, which would be these 6, right? I guess I'll put these down here, and then we're going to break this apart. Maybe. There we go. And then I'm going to take one more away, right? Because I took away 6. So now I need to take away 1 more. Okay? So how many do I have left? 16 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 16, she throws 7, she has 9 left. We can also flip this around. 16 minus 9 equals 7. And then if 16 minus 7 equals 9, then that means that 7 plus 9 equals 16, and 9 plus 7 equals 16. Let's do a little bit more practice. So it says the numbers in this addition and subtraction fact family are 18, 15, and 3. And again, if we know that these two numbers added together are going to equal this one, we've got 15 plus 3 equals 18. Flip those around. 3 plus 15 equals 18. 18 minus 15 equals 3. 18 minus 3 equals 15. Complete each fact family. Okay, so now this one is a doubles fact, so it's a little bit different. Go ahead and follow along with me on page 224. Since it's a doubles fact, there's really only two, because if we turn around 12 plus 12, it's still 12 plus 12. So 12 plus 12 equals 24. 24 minus 12 equals 12. Okay, so here we've got our parts, and we need to fill in our whole. So 6 plus 11, or 11 plus 6 equals 17. If 11 plus 6 equals 17, then 6 plus 11 equals 17. And 17 minus 11 equals 6. 17 minus 6 equals 11. Complete each fact family. Again, we can use all three numbers. 16 plus 4 is 20. I'm going to flip-flop these. 4 plus 16 equals 20. 20 minus 4 equals 16. 20 minus 16 equals 4. So how are these exercises like fact families you have learned earlier? Well, they're the same in that we're still looking at part plus part equals whole, and whole minus part equals part. We're just using larger numbers than we used before. So you need to go in and complete your independent practice problem solving and brain building.